Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Anderson Island Home with Yard and Hot Tub by Beaches. It's a non-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Located in Johnson Landing, 18 miles from Museum of Glass and 26 miles from Hands-On Children's Museum, Anderson Island Home with Yard and Hot Tub by Beaches provides accommodations with amenities such as free Wi-Fi and a flat-screen TV. The property is 18 miles from Tacoma Dome and 18 miles from University of Washington Tacoma. The vacation home is fitted with 5 bedrooms, a fully equipped kitchen with a dishwasher and a microwave, and 3 bathrooms with a hot tub and a hairdryer. Towels and bed linen are offered. Pacific Lutheran University is 15 miles from the vacation home, while University of Puget Sound is 17 miles from the property. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.